For parents with young school children, homework may seem like a simple task of spelling, counting and simple arithmetic. But it turns out some homework questions can include problem-solving puzzles that would challenge even the most maths-savvy of parents. One tricky homework problem has stumped adults despite being designed for school kids as young as 6. The seemingly simple mathematical equation recently appeared on online forum site Reddit after one baffled parent struggled to solve the homework activity, the Mirror reports. On the homework, the maths question read, Danny had dropped paint on his book. Under the words was a picture of a splatter of paint with the word most written beside it. Under that, there were 16 apples arranged in 2 rows of 8 with the word least written next to it. The question was, how many apples could be covered by the paint? There cannot be more than 20. Thousands of adults were stumped by the question, with some people claiming there must have been another part to this riddle, which wasn't covered by the camera angle of the person who posted the Reddit thread. However, others claim to understand it. One person wrote, 0 apples as Danny dropped the paint on his book and not an apple. I feel like it's a weird Sphinx riddle. Another added, I think the answer they're looking for is most, 4, least, 0. For those who were baffled like me, the paint is meant to be potentially covering apples. There are 16 shown, and there can't be more than 20. So between 0 and 4 could be, currently, covered by the paint. One person suggested, I think the idea is to go off the most and least labels. For the 16 to be labeled as least, it would have to have less than the other group. Basically I think they just want a number between 17 and 20. Another agreed, commenting, this is the most obviously correct answer. I think people are considering the splash to be to scale. If 16 is the least and there can't be any more than 20, then the most category has in between 17 to 19 apples. Did you manage to work out the homework question? Let us know in the comment section below. It comes after parents were recently stumped over a maths sum which others claimed it was simple. The problem is, 2 plus 3 equals 10, 8 plus 4 equals 96, 7 plus 2 equals 63, 6 plus 5 equals 66 and then you have to work out, 9 plus 5 equals? When you first look at the question, it seems as though all you need to do is add the numbers together, but it doesn't work like that. You have to figure out the pattern between the numbers which is fairly hard to suss out, but there is a way to work it out. Give it a try and see if you can manage before we reveal how to solve the problem. Many people on social media shared their attempts at figuring out the question and suggested answers they derived at. One person guessed the answer must be 14, whilst 23 and 70 were also popular suggestions. However, the real answer is in fact 126. All you have to do is times the sum by the first number that appears in it. For example equals 2x, 2 plus 3, equals 10, 8x, 8 plus 4, equals 96 and so on. This would give you the answer to 9 plus 5 times 9, which would be 126. Another person on social media explained it as, it is so easy. 2 plus 3 equals 10, 8 plus 4 equals 96, 7 plus 2 equals 63, 6 plus 5 equals 66, x plus y equals x, x plus y, 9 plus 5 equals 9, 9 plus 5 equals 126.